724.
724, 247, 67.
67. Ooh.
What is up sa mga mahilig sa pabango? This is your boy, Terence. And today, I have with me, Armin.
Amoy piranha.
Ano ba yan, Armin? Kaya tayo.
So for today's episode, we're going to review from the brand of
Latafa.
Pride series nila. So this is...
Breeze.
Grabe, ang ganda ng bote, Boss Terence.
Na-excite ako tuwing sa ganitong bote.
Oo.
Kasi
May nire-release silang
sa
kakaiba
Pride
eh.
line eh.
Oo nga eh.
May mga favorites ako dyan.
Oo nga. It's always parang may mysterious na vibe yung pinaparating ng Latafa lagi. Na, guys, check this one out. Diba? So, pag-usapan natin itong pabango na to, itong Breeze na to. So, this is a perfume that is kaka-release lang, no? Or matagal na
Halos.
itong release? Halos lang, no?
Halos. Locally, halos. But I think late last year yata.
Okay. So, can you tell us what made you purchase this fragrance?
Guys, summer na.
Mhm.
Well, marami naman ako summer scents.
Oo.
Pero syempre, admittedly, it always excites you na to add something new sa collection mo.
That's correct.
Pero you're always in search for something different. Kasi every now and then, halos pareho na yung vibes eh.
Yun nga
So
eh.
sige, tignan na natin to. Sabi nila, this is a dupe of MFK's
724.
724, 247, 67.
67.
Basta yun, lagay mo na lang dyan. Pang-Gen Z na naman. So anyway,
Mababash na naman tayo.
and then,
67.
sorry,
724?
724, okay.
Or
Ah,
274.
okay,
Anyways.
I don't own that bottle. So, pasensya na hindi namin ma-compare side by side. Pero maraming beses ko na siyang naamoy sa Rustan.
Even ako, naamoy ko na din siya, na full work ko din siya.
Ba't hindi ko binili? Paano ba? Straightforward answer, okay, no holds barred. For the price na kailangan mong bayaran para sa scent profile na binibigay niya,
Mhm.
I honestly was underwhelmed because I was expecting something more from a brand that, yun nga, alam naman natin magkano yung MFK eh, di ba?
Oo nga eh.
So parang hindi siya, by any means, hindi siya mabaho.
Yeah.
Mabango siya. But I find the scent too simple.
Mhm. Nabe-basic ka sobra sa
Nabe-basic
kanya.
ako for something na nasa MFK brand.
Yeah.
So, ito, syempre, Latafa never sleeps. So,
Yeah. They always work hard for it. Kung ano mang nakita nila na bestseller dun sa brand na yon, or people wants a dupe of it,
mhm.
they will deliver it for you
So,
guys.
setting that aside, today, we're gonna judge this na lang based sa standalone
Stand alone, yeah.
perfume. Okay?
If how is it?
Oo. So, una, sa totoo lang, I went through this na medyo mababang expectations. Kasi hindi naman siya masyado pinag-uusapan locally.
Yeah.
Oo. Pero for someone who's familiar with MFK's offering, yun na naman, nakalimutan ko na naman yung number.
Oo, 724.
So, sabi ko, sige, binline buy ko na lang. To this day, I think may 2 or 3 full wearing experience na ako sa kanya. Nagustuhan ko siya. And today, dinala ko siya para masubukan ni Armin.
Yes.
Oo.
Which for me, I tested it out already. I like it. It's like a like or love or hate relationship ang magkakaroon ka sa pabango na to. But, one fact, you need to smell this one sa high heat weather.
Yes.
Hindi sa malamig na setting.
Ah,
Doon mo ma-appreciate tong pabango na to. So, pag-usapan natin ang scent profile niya,
Okay.
Boss Terence. Initial pa lang, ano mga napipick up mo? Spray natin, Boss Terence.
okay.
Let's spray natin. Siguro dito, ayun. Okay? Wow!
Alam mo, sabihin ko sa'yo, initially, alam mo ano naalala ko?
Ano naalala mo?
Tom Ford ni Rolly Portofino.
Oh, sa'yo, Tom Ford. For me, yeah, it's a very Neroli straightforward scent sa initial blast pa lang. For me, it reminds me of yung para siyang how can I say? Para siyang Byredo Blanche na datingan for me. Straight up, yun yung mismo naalala ko sa
Or
kanya.
ano pa, It also reminds me of Mason Margiela ba yun? Yung Lazy Sunday Morning?
Yes, yes, that's correct.
Mm-mm.
May,
Kasi-
may pagka very tamad yung profile niya. Yung parang hindi tipo tamad yung parang chillax ka lang.
Parang amoy clean linen sheets.
Oo nga eh.
Mm.
Pero do you agree with me na ito yung tipong amoy na initial blush pa lang, yung parang kakatapos mo lang maglaba, tapos sinampay mo yung sheets mo doon sa sampayan, tapos nahahangin na at naaarawan konti. Do you agree with me? Do you get that vibe?
Iba kasi yung vibe na nakukuha ko eh.
Anong vibe na kukuha mo?
Well, kasi yung citrus niya, it opens with the citrus eh. I'm not sure if it's bergamot.
Yeah.
Pero it's not too scritchy eh.
Yeah,
Parang-
hindi naman siya.
Parang, it opens up lang na parang, yeah, it's a summer fragrance.
Yeah.
Pero yun nga, litaw ka agad yung neroli eh. When we say neroli, amoy
Soapy.
sabon.
Sabon.
Amoy malinis.
Malinis na... Actually, hindi lang neroli yung maaamoy mo. There is also a blast of very sparkling, fizzy aldehydes.
Ano siya eh, hindi ko alam parang may floral akong napipick up.
There is
Pero
floral.
hindi ko mapinpoint kung anong klaseng floral.
It's jasmine.
But for me medyo feminine yung
Floral
florals
niya. Yeah.
So what I see is parang, yun nga, going back sa sinabi mo, clean sheets na parang nahigaan ng mabangong babae.
Uy!
Yun yung parang naiwan niyang amoy doon sa kama.
Grabe.
Pero hindi siya seductive eh.
Oo.
It's clean, it's musky,
Mm-mm.
pero sobrang linis, sobrang light. Yung tipong, ang sarap nito pag wafts yung naaamoy mo.
Oo. For me, alam mo anong nare-reminds me of? It calms me down. It reminds me of parang mag-isa lang ako sa... Parang naiwan lang ako sa bahay. Parang nasa isla ako. May
Parang
isa akong...
nasa hamak ka lang.
Nasa hamak lang ako tapos kakatapos ko lang maglaba. Sinampay ko yung laundry sheets. Tapos naaamoy ko yung pagka-breezy ng air ng dagat sa gilid ko ng beach. Sobrang relaxing siya sa akin.
Alam mo, na-mention mong yung Byredo Blanche.
Mm-hmm.
For those of you, kasi ngayon nagiging uso yung parang mga laundry detergent
Yun nga
na
eh.
scents eh. It also reminds me of Love-O-Matic eh.
Oh yeah, may pagka-love-o-matic din
But
siya.
Love-O-Matic leans toward yung parang berries yung fruitiness
May
niya.
twist siya ng berries, but this one doesn't have that berries.
Ito pa rin eh, parang yung citrus niya parang Neroli Portofino. Hindi ko alam kung bergamot
Yes.
or orange yun.
Actually, there is citrusy bergamot at the top yung maaamoy mo.
Armin, amuin mo. Amoy baby cologne, di ba?
Yeah, yung tipong, hindi lang baby cologne, parang ito yung tipong parang, alam niyo yung skin ng baby pag bagong ligo, napakakinis. Parang, ang sarap mong, parang, yung parang, for example, ito yung puson ng baby or puson ng babae. Yung parang gaganda. Parang ang sarap parang
Kumbaga ganito.
amuyin. Very, very calming, very relaxing
Kumbaga
feel.
ganito, si Armin, fan yan ng animalic notes. This is on the opposite spectrum of
Yeah.
the animalic.
Yes.
It's innocent, it's clean.
Very innocent.
Parang, yun nga, parang baby-like yung ano niya. So parang soft girl, soft boy yung
Yeah.
atake niya.
And not only that, it feels like parang if lalaki magsuot nito or babae magsuot nito, parang virgin girl, virgin guy yung datingan eh.
Parang boy girl next door.
Oo nga.
Parang hindi mayabang, happy-go-lucky lang.
Wala pang kasalanan. Pero would you agree with me? Parang may ganun, parang may datingan din siya ng parang gentle fluidity silver.
Yes.
Without the metallic
metallic,
touches
yes.
na sinasabi nila na parang bakal-bakal pero hindi naman
And
bakal
mas
yun.
mild yung musks niya.
Oo. It's very clean musk sa dry down yung maaamoy
Ang
niyo
bango
dito.
sa hangin nito.
Sobra, very that's why the name says itself eh. Makikita nyo hindi lang yung name niya Breeze. Do you agree with me? Hindi ko alam kung na-experience mo na to, Boss Terry. Ako na-experience ko na tong gantong. Nakikita ko sa vision ko na ito yung tipong season na papasok na yung parang spring.
Yes,
Tapos, yung trees sa nilalakad mong area, let's try to imagine Taiwan, or let's try to imagine Korea, or somewhere else na may season ng spring, yung tipong parang pag humangin, sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam yung hangin. Yung parang, yung buhok mo, although wala akong buhok, pero yung parang gaganto yung hangin sa buhok mo, tapos you feel like parang, it feels like parang, it's a sunny day, and you want to have that parang a big smile and show it to the people that you will have a brightful day sa araw na yun.
Basta,
Ganun yung datingan niya for
one
me.
thing I will guarantee, this will not offend people around you.
Yes, correct.
Actually, very pleasing siya.
It's very versatile
To
din.
the point na, for me, it's very therapeutic eh.
Yeah, yun nga, very calming,
Calming
relaxing.
siya.
Parang it can be associated din as well that you're having a massage therapy na parang relax ka lang.
Chill lang
may,
talaga.
may music lang sa background mo. Parang muntik na parang maaantok ka na lang, matutulog ka na lang. Ganon yung datingan yung breeze na to. And also, it reminds of us, MFK 724 din. Okay? But overall, another fact, may naaamoy din akong very similar dito sa pabango na to. It's a local brand. It's from the brand of Easy. It's 492, the scent of possibility, which I already reviewed it. It's a white bottle din. Ganon din yung, almost kaamoy lang siya.
Ano?
But that one, it's more on leaning heavy floral siya.
492, tapos kanina 724. Sabi ko nga sa'yo,
6'7".
Pinagsasabi natin.
Diyos ka, Lord. Mukhang na-enjoy natin itong pabango na to, ha?
Cut mo yun.
Grabe. So, anyways, we don't know yet hindi ko pa alam yung performance nito, how does it perform. We will just update sa comment section. Sa'yo ba, kamusta ang performance
Sakto
nito?
lang. Hindi siya sobrang long-lasting pero reasonable. It will project mga 1 to 2 hours pero honestly, it doesn't last that long. Parang mga 4th hour mark, parang musky skin scent na lang siya.
Oo.
Pero guys, magkano lang to? Respray na lang kayo.
Yeah. And for the recommendations, if you really love clean, floral forward, kasi may floral siya, I think that's one of the notes, singular note na it's a star of the show sa itong composition na to. This is for you. But if you don't love floral, amoy sabon, laundry sheets, datingan, wag ka na lang bumili. Skip this and go on to the next releases ng mga Latafa. Okay? And highly recommended. It's a very good for daily, any occasion you can wear it. Kahit dress up, dress down, walang problema doon. Maski nakasando ka lang, pupunta ka lang sa 7-Eleven or Lawson or Uncle John's, may bibili ka lang something merienda or palengke ka lang, pwedeng-pwede itong pabango na to. Very safe scent. And for you, Boss Terence, would you recommend it to our audience?
Actually, ngayon lang ulit ako mag-recommend ng, I think this is very blind buy safe.
Sobra.
Don't expect it to be parang polarizing beast mode or what. Pero again, paulit-ulit kami, I'm sure na it won't offend people around you. Okay, pati yung
langaw.
nakikibreeze eh.
Nakikisingot at sabi daw niya, sali din daw siya sa review.
Laura?
Snip station. Muntik na lang. Yung B niya lang yung pumunta dito eh. Langaw lang eh. Dumadalaw eh. And let's go now on the ratings. What's your rating for this scent?
I'll give this 8.8.
8.8.
8.8.
Grabe, lucky number yan, Boss Terence.
6, 7.
8, 9, 10. For me, I would rate it easily. For me, this is also 8 out of 10. Siguro pag nalaman ko yung performance siya, if it really performs on the high heat or any activities or errands, then dun ko maybe taasan, magbabago yung ratings ko dito. And yeah, this is such a good release from Latafa. Pride series, Pride collection nila, such a banger. I think it's a scent that is worth it to add it to your wardrobe collection. And let us know, have you tried itong pabango na to, which is Breeze? Okay? Hindi yung may mga pinapakita sa ibang app eh, yung parang, ano yun? Breezy? Something breezy? R-Breezy? Hindi R-Breezy to guys.
Hindi na ako makarelate eh. Parang wala na sa ira ko yun eh. 6, 7.
Enjoy namin to sobra itong video na to, itong pabango na to. And yeah, pag-usapan natin, like, comment, and share, and follow for more contents natin. Nothing else to say sa Boss Terence. Till next time, Fregus family, let us know what's your experience about this one. And may iba pa ba kayong na na-experience sa itong line na to that you would love us to review it, please let us know. Till next time, love you all.